We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. We have finished the assembly process. The device is working.